Are you looking for the top 5 monitors for every need, gaming, work, and more? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 monitors for every need, gaming, work, and more on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Dell UltraSharp 27 4K USB-C hub monitor, U2723QE. With a list price north of $600, the Dell U2723QE is not the cheapest monitor around, but it has a prodigious feature set, a full range of ergonomic adjustments, and all the ports we would expect from a so-called USB hub or docking station monitor. It can charge a laptop over its USB-C display connection, and it even provides Ethernet connectivity should you be in an office with spotty Wi-Fi. What's more, it has a 27-inch 4K UHD screen with a high pixel density and wide color gamut. All that, plus it's one of the first 2 monitors to incorporate IPS black, LG's latest flavor of in-plane switching IPS technology. It provides far better contrast than standard IPS displays. About the only common business feature it is missing is a webcam, but only a select few desktop displays have one. The U2723QE sells at a high enough price that you're not likely to outfit a whole office with them. It would be a good choice for meeting heavy managers or other critical workers, especially ones involved in dealing with creative content as one aspect of their job. It's not a full-on graphic arts monitor, but it is fine for photo and video work in a pinch, and is an easy attach/detach for a frequently toted laptop. Number 2. HP 24MH 23.8-inch display. You'll find plenty of under $200 business and general purpose monitors with screens in the 24-inch range. As a rule, they have very basic features and limited port selections. The HP 24MH offers more than most, adding a DisplayPort connector to the usual HDMI and VGA ports found on similar machines. While most budget monitors offer tilt adjustment, the 24MH adds both height and pivot control. Like most of its ilk, the 24MH is a 1080p IPS panel, not a 4K UHD one, but it makes up for that with impressive sRGB coverage and a contrast ratio well above its rating. It has a pair of built-in 2-watt speakers. Not exactly high fidelity, but many budget monitors don't include speakers at all. The HP 24MH is for cash-strapped individuals looking for a monitor that's a good value and that will fit on a small desk. It's a good option for households, home offices, and dorms. Its sRGB color coverage is great, so it's good for photo viewing or basic editing. Users who can afford one should opt for a more full-feature monitor, but the HP 24MH offers more than you typically get for its bargain basement price. Number 3. Asus TUF Gaming VG27AQL3A. The Asus TUF Gaming VG27AQL3A is an impressive entry-level gaming monitor, thanks to a palatable price and a surprising number of performance-enhancing features. The VG27AQL3A boasts a QHD 1440p resolution at a 180Hz refresh rate, with support for both AMD and NVIDIA Adaptive Sync technologies in a wide color range. This 27-inch panel holds its own in a fiercely competitive corner of the market. The VG27AQL3A is a great gaming monitor for those strapped for cash and willing to compromise. Sure, it has a few drawbacks, such as lackluster speakers, but it performs well where it counts and earned a PCMag Editor's Choice Award for Best Budget QHD Gaming Monitor. Number 4. HP E45CG5 DQHD Curve Monitor. The HP E45CG5 DQHD Curve Monitor, a 45-inch business-centric ultra-wide monitor, is a good substitute for 2 individual QHD monitors while retaining some of the benefits of multiple monitors via unique virtual dual display and KVM features. Its super ultra-wide 32:9 panel renders a bright image, with good contrast and full sRGB color coverage. The E45C has excellent ergonomics for an ultra-wide, with its stand providing as much ergonomic flexibility as you can expect from such a wide monitor. Plus, you'll find a range of connection choices that you'd expect from a separate laptop docking station. The E45C screen isn't quite as wide as the more common 49-inch displays we have reviewed, but size is more manageable, particularly for home offices or other tight spaces. The HP 45CG5 fits in either a traditional office setting or a home office, and can perform many operations that usually require dual monitors thanks to its split-screen modes. Number 5. Dell 24 Touch USB-C Hub Monitor, P2424HT. The Dell 24 Touch USB-C Hub Monitor, P2424HT, combines a wide connectivity range of a docking station monitor with a responsive, gesture-based touchscreen that is easy to manipulate with your fingers. Its IPS panel is bright, with excellent contrast and full sRGB color coverage. The P2424HT's cleverly designed stand folds, so you can in effect switch it from a desktop monitor into a tablet-like mode. Connections include an Ethernet jack, 2 USB-C ports, the upstream one supplying up to 90 watts of USB power delivery, an HDMI port, a DisplayPort connector, 3 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. The Dell 24 Touch P2424HT is an affordable touchscreen desktop monitor for general-purpose business or personal use. It has a bright IPS screen with excellent contrast and full coverage of the sRGB color space, but its relatively low FHD, aka 1080p, resolution limits its artistic use to casual photo or video editing. Also note, if you want to use it with a stylus, you'll have to supply your own.